Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to invoices in Xero. This is incredibly useful when you need to keep track of important details about specific invoices, whether it's payment arrangements, customer requests, or internal reminders for your team. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. This will take you to the Xero login page where you can access your accounting dashboard. Once you're there, log into your Xero account using your email address and password. Make sure you have these credentials ready so you can get straight into your account without any delays. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. From here, locate the sales option at the top part of your screen. This is where all your sales-related activities and documents are managed. Click on Sales and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this drop-down selection, click on Invoices. This will direct you to the Invoices page where you can view and manage all your billing documents. You'll now be on your Invoices page where all invoices in different statuses are listed. This includes draft invoices, awaiting payment, overdue, and paid invoices. Take a moment to browse through and click on any existing invoice you wish to add notes to. You might want to add notes to an invoice that has special payment terms or one that requires follow-up with a customer. Once you've selected your invoice, you'll be presented with the invoice overview. This page shows all the details of that particular invoice, including customer information, line items, amounts, and payment status. Now look for the History and Notes section on this page. This is typically located toward the bottom or side of the invoice overview, and it's where all activity related to this invoice is tracked. In the History and Notes section, you'll see a button labeled Add Note. Click on it, and a small note window will appear on your screen. This is where you can type in whatever information you need to record. It could be anything from a customer's special request to a reminder about a payment plan or even internal notes for your accounting team. Type in your note clearly, and once you're satisfied with what you've written, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully added a note to your invoice in Xero. This note will now be permanently attached to that invoice and visible to anyone in your organization who has access to view it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.